Hey everybody, welcome back to Life After Stroke. I'm Christopher Ewing. Today we're broadcasting from the Abilities Expo in Boston, Massachusetts. And with us right now is Gaurav Mishra. He is the CEO of Rowheels. And you guys have some of the coolest wheelchairs. Everybody's been coming up talking about these wheelchairs because they're so unique and so different. Talk a little bit about just really how different they are and how beneficial they are to people who use wheelchairs.
Yes, Rowheels is a very unique wheelchair technology. It's the only therapeutic wheelchair technology in the world. The whole core technology of Rowheel rests in the wheel set, wherein you have reverse propulsion, which allows the patient to pull back on the rims and the chair goes forward. Now what that does is it eliminates the pains and aches associated with the traditional push chairs. It improves your body posture and pulls your shoulder back, so your diaphragm, you can breathe better. And it engages 8 out of 9 large muscles in the upper body, which leads to long-term mobility, and it's not been possible so far. Since 140 years the wheelchairs have existed.
You know, and that's so interesting because a lot of people think of wheelchairs as just serving a purpose of transportation, of getting around, but it actually helps your body, you know, in the grand scheme of things. Just like you said, it puts your body in a position to where it can be more healthy, really, overall. When was the kind of the way the propulsion, as you said, when was it discovered that this was a better way in terms of mobility in a wheelchair?
So it was a discovery by invention by a NASA scientist who is a quadriplegic himself, and he thought of an idea. His shoulders were giving up, and he thought of an idea of how he can innovate or find a solution which has existed, which exists to 70% of the wheelchair users, that they end up with shoulder injuries and pains and aches. And that's how he designed it. It was in 2012, the company was incorporated. And since then, we commercialized this product in 2015, end of that, 2016, in different stages. The technology has been patented around the world. It's already granted the patents for it. It's also got a Medicare reimbursement, a special reimbursement code, which pays out a certain amount of reimbursement for only Rowheels technology.
Sure. That is absolutely incredible. And these are basically anywhere around the world, people can get in touch with you guys and you can ship them there and all that.
So when I joined Rowheels, I was a president of one of the biggest companies in this industry, and we did certain changes which allows the patients to buy directly from Rowheels. It allows to buy from other vendors, partners, and it is also allows patients, because we are reimbursement covered, to buy from our dealer partners, and we have distribution now being set up around the world, and you can always call Rowheels customer service and they can guide you in the best direction. Right.
Now, certainly during this interview, you guys have been watching how the wheels operate. It's not your conventional way. It's certainly not the way that, you know, not your mom and dad's wheelchair. You know, this is kind of the new age kind of thing. You know, and you've got 2 different models here in front of us. Talk a little bit about these different models.
Yeah, so initially Rowheels only made the wheel sets, which you see on the right side. That is a core technology. And since last year, we started making the whole wheelchair. And first we launched Revolution 1.0, which is the basic chair for K1 patients. And then we have now launching Row Light, which is one of the lightest frame in the market with our wheel sets that will allow very active users to have all 3 different wheel sets options on the wheelchair. So the Row Light comes with our hard tire, the Rev 3, or you can take the soft inflatable tires on our Rev LX or Rev HX. So this has got 3 versions of different wheel sets possible, and this is the base version, Revolution 1.0.
You know, I am just so impressed with these chairs, and I know everybody that's been here to the show has been as well. But, you know, at the same time, when you think about it, I mean, there's a lot of wheelchair companies out there, a lot of people making wheelchairs. You know, it's, like you said, it's been around since the beginning of time. You know, what really would you say separates you guys from the rest? You know, we know that the wheels turn a different way and stuff like that. But, you know, in terms of the customer experience and the access to this great technology that you guys have created here, you know, what kind of separates you from the others?
That's a very good question. I think that's very important. When I took over the leadership of Rowheels, this is one thing we have put a lot of emphasis on, how to create a customer delight, a customer experience that is not given by any other company, because our customers are the ones who need it more than anybody else. So for example, you order any products from Rowheels, it is shipped out the same day or the next day. Normally other wheelchairs you order, you might have to end up filling 25 pages of forms, and it takes 5 to 6 weeks an average in this industry to get the order fulfilled. But here we are doing like next day. We maintain optimum inventory so that we can accomplish that. Like in the show, as many orders were made, they're all getting shipped out tomorrow.
Oh my goodness.
And that's the whole products come in a special packaging. For example, our Revolution 1.0 goes in a box. You have to just turn it 90 degrees, tear the top off, turn it 90 degrees, and it rolls out of the box, ready to roll, with no tools and no equipment needed.
Really?
Yes.
So somebody who, even the user of the chair, might not even need that much help to even put it together. I mean, it just comes right out of the box,
that's
ready
the
to
idea.
roll.
You can just transfer from it and unfold it and ready to roll. And if you have any problem, you have the numbers to contact Rowheels directly, then to go through 5-6 people in between. If you have any product problems, we serve our customers even on weekends and things like that. So we are very, very prompt on our customer service.
Guav, this is so cool. If people want to get a hold of one of these, what's the best way to go about it?
The best way is go to rowheels.com and or call our phone numbers. We have it there, and then you can get all the solution. We can give you what we thrive on is we allow patients to buy this technology, have that accessible through any way they're used to. So if they want to buy through dealers, they can buy it. They want to buy through Amazon, is there. They want to buy through a website, is there. They want to buy from durable medical equipment reseller websites. Everywhere Rowheels is available, and the wheel sets are compatible with 80% of the manual other manufacturer wheelchairs. So you can literally swap those wheels with these.
Wow. So you can actually take, I don't want to call it the chassis or whatever, but basically the frame itself, and put your wheels on and convert it. Wow. So you know what, you guys, that even makes it really cool, because even if you've already got a regular wheelchair, you know, the customary wheelchair, the traditional wheelchair, and you find the benefit in these wheels and the way that they go, as you know, Guav has explained, I mean, there's a huge, huge benefit to having this type of propulsion, that your favorite chair that you've already warmed up and made all nice and comfy and you fit it like a glove, throw these wheels on, it's easy. You have to take them anywhere? Can you guys just
swap it,
so you could ship the wheels to somebody's house and somebody can do it themselves?
Yep. With a little bit of help to some patients who don't have full mobility, they can just put a clamp and then just swap it. It's very easy with the, I can show it. Just with the quick
There's like a little
keys,
button, sure.
and it will swap over. Yeah.
Wow. You know, Guav, you guys have put together something very, very cool. You guys, on the screen, you'll see the website there. You'll see the phone number. We'll have all the information also on the strokechannel.tv website. Rowheels.com, I'm assuming, is the website?
That's right.
Okay.
Rowheels.com.
All right. Rowheels.com. And Guav Mishra, he's the CEO of Rowheels. Guav, you guys got something very cool here. Very, very
Thank
cool.
you very much, Christopher.
Absolutely. Great. Thanks for being on the show. Sit tight, you guys. We'll be right back.